show. Singers sing what they told, but I know you got something else to say. A secret language, speaking in tongues, snake like tongue, you on the run.
Hi guys, it's your girl Casey. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I customize my frontal by bleaching it, tinting it, and also plucking it. And I'm using MNA Luxury here, and this is a 16-inch body wave HD frontal. Now I'm going to start off with the products, and you will need Clairol Basic White. You will need a volume 20 or 40, whichever you prefer. I like to use 20. And you'll need your Shimmer Lights shampoo. You will also need a conditioner. I'm using the Defense brand. You will also need a lace tint, and I'm using iCandy Creations medium lace tint. You'll need a plastic bowl and an applicator. I'm using a knife, foil paper, and I'm going to start off by mixing up the volume 40 and the basic white, volume 20 and the basic white, sorry. And basically I want a thick consistency. You do not want this to be runny. I don't have an actual measurement. I just use it until I just put the product in it until I get a thick consistency. It shouldn't be running. When you lift the product off the spatula or the applicator, it should not be runny or dripping back into the container. You want it to be thick where you have to like shake it off for it to fall back into the pan. So a thick consistency is what you're looking for, or what I'm looking for. So now I'm using the knife. You want to use plastic or metal. So I'm using the knife and I'm applying it on the lace. I'm literally gliding it on it. I'm not pushing down with the product because you don't want the product to seep through the lace and get onto the hair. So you want to use a very light hand when doing this. Please take your time and be patient. And yeah, I'm just gonna do that until the lace portion is covered with the mixture.
You're blocking the exit with your life.
So once I'm done applying the mixture over the lace or on top of the lace, I'm going to allow it to sit. So I'm going to turn it over, so facing the part with the mixture on the foil paper, and then I'm going to leave it for 25 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes roughly will be okay, because it's 20 volume, so it takes a little bit longer than a 30 or 40. So I'm going to proceed to washing the lace portion or the bleach mixture off the hair, and once I'm done with doing so, I'm going to use a Shimmer Lights shampoo to proceed to washing that out so that it will stop the bleaching process. Then I'm going to condition the hair, leave it for like 20 to 15 minutes. Then I'm going to wash that out, and then I'm going to proceed into plucking. I'm just going to give you an overview on how I pluck it. I won't pluck all the hair on camera, but I'll just show you the process I use to pluck the hair. Okay, so now it's time for plucking, and I start from the front portion of the hair, then I part out a section of the hair, then I pluck. I don't stay in one area for too long. I just pluck along, and I do so, and I part again, and I pluck again, and I do so until it's suitable for me. I also put it on my hairline as well to check to see if I need to proceed further with any more plucking. But it's very simple. Just part it out, take your time, and pluck the hair. Now after that, I'm going to tint the lace after I finish plucking it. I'm going to tint the lace, and I'm using the Eye Candy Creations lace tint, and the color is in medium. That matches my skin tone better, so it will look more scalp like once I put this to my head. Now put this on my head. Now I'm going to blow dry on high heat to allow it to dry, or you can just air dry. Once I'm done with that, that's the finished product. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope this helps. I would like you to subscribe to my channel, give this a thumbs up if you liked the video and if it was helpful. Also leave your comments and your thoughts down below, and do remember to click the bell in order to get notified each and every time I upload a video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
Trouble dancing, I don't know what you are.